Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare a creatine drink. First, gather all your necessary items. You'll need your creatine monohydrate powder, a clean glass or shaker bottle, and a measuring spoon or scoop. Don't forget your liquid of choice, like water, juice, or even a sports drink, to ensure proper mixing and taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Next, carefully measure your creatine powder. A common daily serving is typically between 3 and 5 grams. Use a level scoop to ensure you're getting an accurate dose. Always check the specific instructions on your creatine product, as recommendations can vary slightly. Precise measurement helps you achieve the best results from your supplement regimen. Now it's time to mix your drink. Pour your measured creatine powder into your chosen liquid. We recommend using at least 8 to 12 ounces of water or juice to help with dissolution. Stir thoroughly with a spoon or, if using a shaker bottle, shake vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure the powder is fully dissolved to avoid a gritty texture and ensure optimal absorption. Your creatine drink is now ready to enjoy. It's best to consume it immediately after mixing to prevent the creatine from settling. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day, as creatine works by drawing water into your muscles. Many people find it beneficial to take creatine around their workout times, either before or after. Consistency in daily intake is crucial for maximizing its benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.